Hey everybody, Todd here from Hub 365, and I just want to take a moment to say thank you so much to HighLevel for giving us this feature of voice AI. This has been an absolute industry disruptor. It's been a game changer in our business. Our clients love it. We love it. And we've been able to replace certain parts of our business that require a physical person to answer a phone. And this has been so awesome for us. The other part of it I love so much is the fact that the speech or the conversation sounds supernatural. My wife is from Venezuela, so she speaks very fluent Spanish. She's very sensitive when it comes to making sure that the Spanish conversation makes sense because Spanish is not an easy language to get right. But voice AI does it amazing. And so we're really excited about that. We love it. Our clients love it. And we're really excited about the next evolution of voice AI with HighLevel. And if you're not using it yet, you're going to get left behind.